All right, breaking news just coming in. Kerala government to reconsider the relaxation in lockdown. This is coming in after Ministry of Home Affairs has pulled out the state government for diluting its guidelines. And according to the government sources at the moment, from the information that is coming in, it will reconsider dining facility at hotels, salons and allowing pillion riders and two-wheelers as well. The Chief Minister is likely to announce the amendments in the relaxation measures in today's press conference. So we're going to be waiting for that press briefing to be coming in, but much needed action coming in from the Kerala government. Gopikrishnan Unnithan bringing us the stories now, joining us for the very latest on this. Gopikrishnan Unnithan, we've got so many cases spiking up in just about 24 hours across the length and breadth of the country, and it's indeed a move that was much required to consider the relaxation in the lockdown as far as Kerala is concerned. Over to you as far as what today's press briefing is going to be and what are the amendments in the relaxation measures that the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is likely to announce.
Well, Siddhi, we have been told by the government sources that the state government has now decided to reconsider the relaxations which were specified for the district or for some districts in the state. So a major cause of concern for Union Home Ministry was that the Kerala government has announced that it will allow dining facilities at restaurants in the districts which comes under the green category or under the orange B category, which are relatively safer. But now that the state government, after receiving this letter of notification from the MHA, has decided that they will reconsider it, and in most likelihood that particular decision will be revoked is what we have been told. But anyway, we will have to wait for the official word from Chief Minister, because Chief Minister is meeting the media every day at 6 p.m. The government has decided that let the announcement be made by the Chief Minister himself. So we are anticipating that particular announcement by the Chief Minister, and also the government had made provision for the hair salons and barber shops to function on Saturdays and Sundays. That will also be lifted. And also coming down to the transportation facility, the government said that if two people can travel in a two-wheeler if both the person are from the same family. So it directly implies that a pillion rider is allowed in a two-wheeler if both of them happen to be from the same family, and this will also be lifted, or this will also be amended, is what we have been told at the moment.
All right, so that's the latest that is coming in right there. Gopikrishnan Unnithan bringing us all the very latest details. Gopi, continue to stay with us. For our viewers who have just tuned in, this is the information that is just trickling in. The Kerala government, as Gopi is reporting, is going to be reconsidering the relaxations in the lockdown. And that's the big story which we are starting off our coverage with. This is coming in, of course, after the Ministry of Home Affairs has pulled up the state government for diluting the guidelines. Remember, the entire country has been seeing a spike in terms of coronavirus cases, and this is a matter of great concern for the MHA, for the Health Ministry and for the government at the centre and at the state levels as well. According to government sources, it will be reconsidering dine-in facilities at hotels, salons and allowing pillion riding in two-wheelers as well. And after centre's wrap on lockdown violation, the Kerala government is in a key huddle at the moment. Kerala's reconsideration on lockdown norms is coming in after a review meeting chaired by the Kerala Chief Minister. And this is after the MHA in a letter slammed the state government for violating the curbs. The MHA has said that opening of local workshops, barber shops, restaurants, bus travel in cities for shorter distance was prohibited under the guidelines issued last Wednesday. And the Kerala government later clarified that these relaxations are in lieu with the centre's orders, and the confusion is only a misunderstanding. Kerala has relaxed norms only in orange and green zones, while districts falling in the red zone are going to be under complete lockdown till 3rd of May. 88 hotspots continue to be under lockdown.
എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു ഒരു തെറ്റിദ്ധാരണ വന്നു പോയിട്ടുണ്ടാകും. അതിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിലായിരിക്കാം കേന്ദ്ര ഗവൺമെൻറ് അത്തരമൊരു വിശദീകരണം ചോദിച്ചത്. വിശദീകരണം നൽകുന്നതോടുകൂടി ആ തെറ്റിദ്ധാരണയ്ക്ക് പരിഹാരമുണ്ടാക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും. സെൻട്രൽ ഗവൺമെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ നിലപാടുകളും സംസ്ഥാന ഗവൺമെൻറ് നിലപാടുകളും ഒരേ പാളത്തിലൂടെ സഞ്ചരിക്കുന്ന നിലപാടുകൾ തന്നെയാണ്. യാതൊരു തരത്തിലുള്ള കോൺട്രഡിക്ഷൻസും ഈ നിലപാടുകൾക്ക് തമ്മിൽ ഇല്ല. കേവലം തെറ്റിദ്ധാരണ മാത്രമാണ്. അത് നമുക്ക് പരിഹരിക്കാനും മാറ്റി തീർക്കാനും സാധിക്കും.
Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us on the phone line. Remember, she tracks the Ministry of Home Affairs. Kamaljeet, if you could just walk up viewers through the communication sent out by the Ministry of Home Affairs to the state government in Kerala on the relaxation of the lockdown orders as well, calling it a strict violation of it. And hence, now Kerala is forced to reconsider its decision, and perhaps in the press briefing, they will act and let us know what next as far as the state is concerned.
MHA today has sent a number of advisories. One is first to Government of Kerala, and then it was reiterated subsequently to all states and union territories that there should be no dilution of guidelines given by MHA. Now, in all this is centre's role, because remember, as far as the Epidemic Act, the guidelines are set by the centre, so the states don't have a way of their own. Now, several of the states have extended a complete lockdown, which includes the state of Delhi. But clearly, as far as relaxation are concerned, this is something where Kerala has gone way forward by opening up of restaurants, of barber shops, of lines of transport. So this is something which centre has taken note of, and that is why a letter was shot off to Kerala saying that guidelines of centre has to be adhered to. Subsequently, they have written a...
All right, let's try to re-establish that connection right there. We've lost that line to Kamaljeet Sandhu, but let's also get you a sense of what the situation really looks like in India, and that is the reason the MHA